Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord rear brake pads. First, always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection, and ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands. You will need a few basic tools, including a floor jack, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp or brake caliper piston tool. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on the rear wheel, then safely lift the car and remove the wheel completely. Once the wheel is off, you will see the brake caliper assembly. Use a wrench to remove the two bolts holding the caliper to the bracket. These are typically 12mm or 14mm bolts. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor and support it with a bungee cord or wire to prevent stressing the brake hose. Now, you can easily remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket by hand. Before installing the new pads, you must compress the caliper piston back into its housing. Use a specialized caliper piston tool or a C-clamp to slowly push the piston in until it is flush. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Next, insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring the shims are correctly seated. Finally, slide the caliper back over the rotor and secure it with the two guide pin bolts, tightening them to specification. With the new pads installed, reattach the wheel and tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer's recommended torque, typically around 80 foot-pounds. Before starting the engine, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This seats the caliper piston against the new pads. Finally, take your Honda Accord for a gentle test drive, avoiding hard braking for the first 100 to 200 miles to properly bed in the new brake pads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.